Hey, this is actually not my makeup because Kristjan is back, my favorite makeup artist. He works all around the world and he's here to show you his professional makeup tricks, starting off with a primer all over the face and then with two foundations mixed together. It's all about mixing the foundations and tapping and mixing concealers and tapping, making his skin slightly darker. Mixing two concealers together under the eyes and tapping again. The amount of tapping you will see in this video is crazy. Concealer all over the eyes so that he got a nice canvas to work with. Highlighting the face by mixing the two foundations together, but he added the lighter one slightly more so that he got the center of the face highlighted. Setting up the foundation with Zhao's powder. This is an awesome powder foundation because it's vegan, it's very natural, won't clog your pores, and you see the brush he's using is so soft, so soft. And he's slightly dragging it. It doesn't take the foundation off because it's so soft. Going over the blemishes. So when he finished the whole makeup, the blemishes that needed a bit more coverage, he went over with the concealer. This is how we work, contouring the face with a thin stripe and then blending it, tapping with the beauty blender. Because when we do makeup professionally, we think about Photoshop, how to blend everything together. That's why you hear the word blend that many times. And going over with such a soft brush, as I said, doesn't take the foundation off. So that's how you can do it, even though you applied the concealer before. If you go over with a very soft brush, the concealer will stay in place. Contouring the nose slightly. Not actually contouring, but giving depth to the nose. This is how you sculpt the face, because with the foundation, you take that depth of the face, so how the 3D look of the face, you take off and then you add it with contouring. Setting up the concealer he put on the eyes with a lighter eyeshadow, also on the outer corner, because this is where you need to highlight. Now, doing the classic deep set eyes technique. You see that the brush just stays, doing that C on the outer corner, it stays in place. And this is why you pay for the makeup artists to do your makeup, because this actually takes an hour and a half to do. Go check it in depth on our website, blending everything together, also on the lower part, and then adding dark to the eyes, because it's all about dark eyes. Dark eyes are seductive. That's why smoky eyes. And because she has such a high lid space, she has a lot of lid space, he concentrated this pencil just around the eye, not blending it up, because it would look way too heavy if he would do a classic smoky eye. The lid is wide, so you need to blend everything together, smoke it up, but leave it light. Adding stars to her eyes just on the start. And highlighting. I don't use highlighters that many times, but the way Kristjan uses it with this fan brush, you get such a lovely soft application on the center of the face where you want to highlight, and then on the nose, and here the Cupid's bow. Oh my god, I completely forgot about the Cupid's bow. You see how it shines now all around the lips. And look how he did the brows. Thin little strokes, not painting the brow with the pencil, not painting it, but just drawing little lines therein. Looks very natural this way. Combing it. When you comb it, you need to put a light pressure on. Don't go heavy, because this is how you blend the color too much. And he didn't go over the edge of the lips because she has such beautiful pout. Look at that. Gorgeous. Adding a bit of color, very natural color. I don't do such makeup tutorials because for everyday use, this takes a bit longer. But let me know what you think down in the comments below if you would want to see more advanced techniques like this one, for example. This is what he did. Just love his work because look at the skin, how it glows. It looks so vivid, so nice. Thank you very much to Kristjan for coming into my studio. And yeah, once again, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you want to see more of such looks, go check our website. And ciao, ciao, ciao.